Breaking new ground, unveiling the path to innovation. Hello, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that sparks curiosity and inspiration. Break new ground. Understanding this expression is not just about adding new words to your vocabulary. It's about embracing the mindset of exploration and innovation. So, let's embark on this linguistic adventure together and uncover the depths of this motivating phrase. To break new ground is to do something that has not been done before. It involves innovation, venturing into uncharted territory, or developing new methods. This phrase is often used to describe actions that pave the way for progress, whether in science, arts, technology, or everyday life. It conveys a sense of pioneering spirit and the courage to challenge the status quo. The origin of break new ground is deeply rooted in agriculture, where it literally meant to plow land that has never been farmed before. Over time, this physical act of transforming untouched land into fertile ground for planting has evolved into a powerful metaphor. It now symbolizes the act of initiating change, exploring new ideas, and setting the stage for future developments. Let's look at some examples to understand how to incorporate break new ground into our conversations. The scientists' research on renewable energy sources is expected to break new ground in the fight against climate change. By integrating technology in classrooms, educators are breaking new ground in teaching methods. The novelist broke new ground with her unique narrative style, captivating readers worldwide. Notice how the phrase can be applied in various contexts to denote innovation and the act of pioneering. Emphasizing the importance of breaking new ground reminds us of the value of creativity and progress. It encourages us to think outside the box, to be unafraid of trying new things, and to lead the way in making positive changes. This phrase inspires us to be trailblazers in our own lives, whether by learning a new language, tackling challenges, or inventing solutions to problems. Thank you for joining us on this explorative journey into the meaning of break new ground. We hope this discussion not only enriches your English vocabulary but also ignites a spark of innovation in your daily life. Remember, every step towards learning something new is a step towards breaking new ground. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let's continue to break new ground together. See you in our next video.